Hello everybody. We have a box here. This box is from a friend. Cotty's on it. There's a box. Cotty's got to be on it. I hope he didn't pack it full of fish. So, but she's been all around it. So I know what it is ish. Well, some of what it is. But let's open it. I'm gonna have to play with the Proxmark because these are RFID labels. Have to check them out, explore them. Let's open this up. Ooh, watch it. She plays dangerously with the razor. Hey, paper. We got paper. I don't want paper. No. You want the paper? Curious. Let's see what's in it. Ugh. I have a bubble package right there. Little box. And more padding. There we go. Let's see what we have. We'll open the big thing first. There's Saran wrap. He did this on purpose, right? Okay, let's. Is Cotty being good girl? We need to give Cotty cookies. She got scared because I was throwing paper. Give Cotty cookies. Kind of cool of him to send me this as a gift. That is a flash pack. LogicPak. How's it? LogicPak. I didn't remember what he was saying. He said he sent me something. So I was kind of busy. You know, common broken edge connector. That's normal. I think even mine's got a broken edge connector. Got a waveform board in there. Cool. I'll have to take a deeper dive into this. I think even mine has, let me pull mine out. Yeah. Ooh, Cotty here. And spider webs. Cotty hair and spider webs. See, even mine's got a damaged thing. It happens. That's very, very, very common in these. So. I didn't have, I've only got a couple of the programming adapters, so I don't think I have the 3. I thought it was just sending me the programming adapter. I didn't think it was going to send me the whole LogicPak. So I was just going to send me this. They sent the whole LogicPak. That was awesome. So, and I've only got one other. I've got a 303004. And whatever's on mine. Those are the 2 I needed that most programmers that I have wouldn't do. We should have another package coming in here shortly. So, yeah, that'll be, I'll have to do a teardown of that. That one will be worthy of a teardown because I have to inspect it and everything. So, check it for shorts and everything. So, well, thank you, Scuba. That was awesome. Now, what's in this pack? He sent me some other little stuff here. That reflective tape. And he said these were like chips or something. Ah, okay. Some Atmel. 28C64. C16s. Cool. I'll add those to my inventory here. PLCC. You guys see that? I'm not sure if they're erasable or not. Might be, might not be. I don't know if the 28s were erasable or the 27s were non-erasable. Now these are trip looking. What are these? Not seen that package before. These are trippy. I have to peel a sticker off of those and see what they are. Got a little bent pen. Like some sort of ceramic hybrid. I'll have to figure that one out. Get that sticker off. Is there one with a sticker not on there? Oop. Okay, so there's some sort of erasable device. I have not seen, what do they call that? Would this be a quad inline? Yeah, dual inline, but that would be quad inline. Anybody know what that is? I haven't looked up the data sheet, so I didn't know what was coming. 9103A. But yeah, we'll have to figure out what that is. I've been in this industry a long time and I've never seen one like that. Unless it's some sort of like custom. Yeah, I'll have to figure that out. Might have to make an adapter to see if I can read those and something. But thank you, Scuba. Let's give Cotty some cookies. She deserves them. She's been sitting here hounding me for them. We'll catch y'all later.